Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 33 how to delete multiple videos on your YouTube account on a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a YouTube account, and some videos that have been uploaded to your channel. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case, go to YouTube Studio, make sure you all sign into the account, and then go to the left hand side navigation menu, go to content, and now we are ready to delete multiple videos at the same time. So we can go to filter, visibility. You can delete all the videos that are public, private, and listed as scheduled or draft. For this video, we will be deleting multiple draft videos we no longer require. Click on draft, click on apply, and then we have two videos we no longer require. If we did require them, we would have edited and uploaded as live a long time ago. So go to video, select all, and now we can either edit, add to playlist, or more actions, delete forever. I understand that deleting is permanent and can't be undone, so click on yes, delete forever. These two videos are being deleted, removed away from your channel. I would highly recommend to always have a backup of every video you ever make and upload to your channel in case your channel goes down or your videos are deleted, so then you can re-upload to another channel if something like this ever occurs. So we can quit Safari. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.